guys, Saving with Shay, and I am here for my midweek haul for you guys. Please excuse the fact that your girl is a little amped, but I had an energy drink this morning before my workout, and I think I'm kind of still feeling it, even though I was at the gym for 2.5 hours today, trying to up my cardios, because I'm trying to get myself out of the 50s, and I'm teetering right there on 151, and I need to be out of the 50s, so I upped my cardio by an hour. So I was at the gym for 2.5 hours today, which is crazy. So yes, I sweat my whole complete ass off. Like, not part of my ass or a portion of my ass, my whole off. And so I feel so wiped out, but I feel good in the same. But listen, if you are new here and this is your first time in this lovely phase, definitely take a second to subscribe. Also, make sure you, did it sound like I said unsubscribe? Don't unsubscribe. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure that you also make sure also make sure your post notification on the news of the video. I'm sorry, you guys. My brain is just not braining right now. What else? Really quick, big shout out to Couponing with Eunice. In her last video, she mentioned doing the Glucerna deal weeks and weeks ago and never getting reimbursed. So I checked my PayPal, and sure enough, I didn't get reimbursed either. I also checked Venmo just in case, because I didn't know where it would have went, Venmo or PayPal, and I didn't see it. So I clicked the link in that video, which was like 2 months ago, and sent them an email. I got a generated email saying, "We got your message, girl. Just be patient." And yeah, so I'll put a link in the description for those of you who realize that your ass didn't get paid either. And so I'm still waiting. Actually, take that back. This morning I got $12.48 to my PayPal, and I don't know what it was for. I assume it was for the Glucerna, but I don't know for sure because they didn't actually get back to me yet. I just was at the homeless shelter yesterday, donating a bunch of stuff, and I donated a bunch of stuff, and I had that in the bag as well, and I took it out because I was like, nah, let me hold on to this a little bit longer, because if I don't get reimbursed, that is going right back to the store. See, I got back $12.48, and I don't know what it's for. I assume it's for that. It just says promotion. And so yeah, but it was for this Glucerna right here. We did this on Ibotta 2 months ago. It was $3 back on Ibotta, and there was a manufacturer offer as well, making it like a $3 moneymaker. If I don't get back that 12, I think that's it right there, to be honest, but they haven't actually gotten back to me. But I'm not paying for this. Not no, you $9-10, you got me all the way up. And so just wanted to mention that. What else? I'm gonna do a Q&A, y'all, this weekend. So I need any questions that you guys have, preferably questions that I haven't answered before, because I get the same questions all the time, y'all. I don't mind answering it over and over and over if that's what you need. Sometimes people need to hear it over and over and over, but specifically questions that I haven't been asked or I haven't answered already. All right, and I'll work on that video this weekend. I think that's basically it, you guys. So with that being said, we're gonna head over to Walmart. We're going to see what kind of awesome deals we can grab. If you want to see what your girl got, you know what to do. Keep on watching. All right, guys. So this first deal is on the Kinders. These are so freaking good. Oh, my gosh. They're priced at $148. You'll be getting back 350 kicks on Shopkick, which is $140, bringing that down to only 7 cents. Okay. I'm also going to be grabbing the Rockstar again. This promotion, again, is going to run throughout the year. I think it ends like December 30th or something like that. It's an aisles offer. It's buy 2 get back 5. It is a limit of 1, but you can do this every other week. You'll pay $3.76, get back 5 on aisles, making this a $1.24 moneymaker. And this offer goes through pretty quick, like it's less than 24 hours. Next deal is gonna be on the Best Foods Mayo, which is priced at $5.98. Now for this deal, you can just grab 1. You'll get back 3 on Ibotta and 3 on either Shop Me, Alexa, Swagbucks, My Points, Interact, or Tada, making it a 2-cent moneymaker. Now the limit on Ibotta is a limit of 2, so I went ahead and grabbed 2 of them. I paid $11.96. And then I got back $6 on Ibotta, $3 on Tada, making them only $1.48 each, which is not bad considering the first, 4 jars I got in my last haul were like an almost $9 moneymaker. Now it did reset for me on Ibotta, so I'm gonna grab 1 this time, get back 3 on Ibotta, and then 3 on inbox dollars, making that one a 2-cent money. So next up is the Mucinex Sore Throat Insta Soothers. They're priced at $5.23. You want to grab 1, getting back 2 on Ibotta, 2 on Shopmium, making them only $1.23. All right, so this next deal is on the Mucinex Children's. They have some priced at $10.97, $10.98, but this one here, the multi-symptom coat one, is priced at $10.47, and so is this one here. So we're gonna grab 1, get back 5 on Ibotta, 5 on Shopmium, making them 47 cents each. Now I did see this one here, the little packets. I scanned it, it is working, so that would be a 3-cent money maker. I just noticed there's no music on right now. I was like, why is it so quiet in here? It's because they don't have the radio on. But listen, this deal is on the Poise. The 30 count priced at $5.97. This is working for 2 different offers on Ibotta, both for $2 each, and then you're gonna get back 475 kicks on Shopkick, which is $1.90. It'll make that 7 cents. Now this one up here is working for 2 offers too. I think one is $2, one is $1. Plus getting back kicks on Shopkick would make that like $1.04. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab this one. And then I'm also thinking of grabbing this deal again too. It's on the 48 count, priced at $10.12. Getting back 2 on Ibotta, 5 on Alexa, and 5 on inbox dollars would make that $1.88 money. Really quick, I found another Pilly on that one up there. I'm gonna try it on this one right here. One of the offers excludes the coupon and the other one doesn't. So we're just gonna see what happens. Alright, so this next is on the Dove Men Care body wash. We've got the smaller one priced at $7.97. The larger one is $9.97. You end up paying $17.94 out of pocket, getting back 4 for this one on Ibotta, 3 for this one, plus $2 bonus for buying the 2. And then on Shopkick, we are gonna get back 500 kicks for the smaller one, and 625 kicks for the larger one, which is a total of $4.50 altogether. And then last but not least, $4 on Alexa. We'll bring these down to only 22 cents each. Now you could also grab the bar instead of the larger one. That is an option as well, and that will make it the same price basically. It ends up costing the same, so I figured why not get this humongous one. I'm gonna pay 22 cents each. I'd rather pay 22 cents for this than 22 cents for this. And so yeah. Alright, so I'm grabbing the degree deal again. I do have one more redemption left on Fetch Reward for $2 back when you spend 10. So I'm grabbing 2 of these right here. It's a black and white one, priced at $4.98. The 2 is gonna cost $9.98, getting back $2 for each on Ibotta. And then $4 on $4 on Tada, and then last but not least, $2 on Fetch Reward, making this a 2-cent moneymaker. Okay, I went ahead and grabbed the Dove Whole Body Deodorant as well, priced at $11.98, getting back 5 on Ibotta, 5 on Shopmium, 300 kicks on Shopkick, which is $1.20, making that only 78 cents. Okay, last but not least, over here is going to be the Old Spice Gentleman's Total Body Spray, priced at $5.97. This is working for 2 different offers for me on Ibotta. One is $10 when you buy 2, and one is $3 with a limit of 3, I want to say. So I grabbed 2 of them. I paid $25.94. Got back a total of 16 on Ibotta and 875 kicks on Shopkick, which is $3.50, making them only $3.22, which I don't think is bad. And because I have money makers to help pay for this, it'll end up being free anyways. So I'm going to be doing this L'Oreal Hydro Renewal again. It did reset for us on Ibotta as well as Walmart Cash. It's priced at $6.42. So you're going to grab a total of 1 of these, getting back 5 on Ibotta. There is also $3 on Shopmium, it's on Alexa, Swag, it's across the board. And it's going to make this $1.78 moneymaker. Again, it is available for Walmart Cash as well. So I'm going to do one separate transaction for my Walmart Cash stuff. If you guys have been asking about Walmart Cash, with Walmart Cash, you have to pay either using the card you have on file on your Walmart app, are pay using Walmart Pay. In order to get a physical receipt though, you need to pay a portion of your total out of pocket. Like I usually will give them a quarter, dime, penny, nickel, you know, a gift card will count as well. And then you'll get a physical receipt. And so I just wanted to add that. And so I will see you guys at home for the final breakdown. All right, guys. So here is my complete haul for today. This worked out really, really good. I ended up doing Rockstar 4 times at Dollar Tree. I did it once at Food for Less at buy one get one free at $2.69, and then the new sale there for $5. I was gonna pass on it, but because I still have a lot of redemptions left, I figured, hey, why not? And then I did it, I want to say 8 times at Walmart. I've been stealing the coconut water boxes from Walmart. In my area, they don't keep these Rockstars in their actual boxes. If they did, I would take Rockstar boxes, but because they don't do that, I have to take the coconut water, and it fits perfectly. So those are already ready to be donated. And again, thank you to all of you guys that have used my link so far. What else did I want to say about this haul? Oh, okay, so the sparkling ice. I got those from Dollar Tree. So with me buying so many Rockstars, I really try to make sure the first item is different, because I've been having issues with the receipts because they all really look the same. You know, when you got a bunch of redemptions, they all look a lot the same. So it's not like, you know, you can do a whole lot to make them different besides making sure the first item's different. So whenever I do the deal, I do it twice. So Dollar Tree, I wanted to try and see if the printable for 2, it's 2 off of 2. I wanted to see if it was going to work at Dollar Tree, and it scanned perfectly fine. Those again are $1.25, $2 coupon. You pay 50 cents. I do have an offer on Fetch Reward. I think it's spend 10, get back $2.60, and it's a limit of 3. So I'm just going to keep getting them from Dollar Tree. And I mean, I can get them from Walmart too, but I think the last time I used it at Walmart, it didn't work. And so ever since then, I haven't tried it again. Really quick too, with the Dove Men Care, this one right here didn't work for me on Shopkick. It didn't pick it up, so I put a ticket in. So I'll let you guys know how that works out, because I would hate to have to return it and get, you know, and get the other one. I think the other one costs more too. And so there was that. Everything else I think went through. The L'Oreal, I had that on inbox dollars, and so I got back an extra $3 there. The Mucinex, both of the Mucinex, I had on inbox dollars as well, so it made those money makers. And I think that's, oh, the Poise. So I used the coupon on the Poise, but when I was submitting my receipt on Ibotta, it was taking forever for it to load, and it did pick it up, but it was taking forever to load. So I ended up exiting out and going back in. When I went back in, the one of the $2 offers was gone. So I just got the one, which is fine because I did use a coupon. So it's, I mean, obviously I'd rather use the $3 coupon than, you know, the $2 offer on Ibotta, right? So it just worked for the one. Now I did both Poise on separate transactions and both Kinders. So I did 2 transactions that had 1 Poise and 1 Kinder. And so I did those deals twice today on Shopkick. Really quick, Amy had hit me up on Instagram. There is a promo code for Shopkick. When you earn 100 kicks, you get 500 kicks. And you have to go to your account. It's kind of like last time when you enter the code. I'll have to pop it in because I can't remember what it was offhand. But I did get that back today as well. So I may not even worry about that Dove Men Care because I got 500 extra kicks anyways. But what I did is I resubmitted the receipt again to see if it would go through. So we'll see what happens with that. Other than that, you guys, everything here retails $181.64. I had $5 in coupons. That was 3 on the Poise, and that was 2 on the sparkling ice. That brought the out-of-pocket down to $176.64. I walk away with $72 from Ibotta, $70 from Aisles, and as of right now, I'm pretty caught up with all my receipts. I think I have 3 receipts that haven't managed to go through yet, and I did reach out to customer support, and I had to send them copies of the receipts. I had to send them my phone number, so I'm still waiting to hear back on that. Alexa is $16. Shopkick is $15.80. That's if I get back that extra $5 or $2 rather. Inbox dollars is $10. Tada is 7, Walmart Cash was 5, Shopmium was 5, Brand Club is $3.35, Swagbucks is $3, and last but not least was Fetch for $2. So we walk away with a total of $209.15. It makes everything you see here free plus a $32.51 moneymaker. My tax was $11.04. Again, a lot of that is the California tax redemption on the recyclables, which is 5 cents per can. So with tax, it still makes this a $21.47 moneymaker. Other than that, you guys, as far as emoji, let me see the last emoji that you use on your phone in the comments. Okay, whatever that last emoji was, I want to see it in the comment. You guys have the most amazing day, night, whenever you're watching, wherever you're watching from. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.